Impact on operations resources of JIT at Dell Computer. Introduction. Just-in-time, JIT, as a form of inventory processing, focuses on reducing futile time and costs and improving the quality of a product during the manufacturing process. The sequence of activities during this process includes delivery, gathering of orders, and shipment to the final consumer. The JIT idea was first developed by Henry Ford. But later, it was adopted by the Toyota family. The JIT approach is essential for companies as it minimizes storage costs by eliminating stock levels and aid in utilizing warehouse space. The JIT philosophy, inventory is waste and minimizing of inventory releases tied up capital, ensures a company manufactures what is needed at the right time, hence saving on production costs. JIT inventory system stresses the amount of time required to produce the correct order, at the right place and at the right time. JIT system helps in reducing lead time. Lead time is the time taken for a manufactured product to reach the final consumer. JIT reduces the product cycle, hastening faster delivery to intended consumers. Besides, the JIT system minimizes inventory redundancy and obsolescence. This is achieved by JIT facilitating direct disposal of the finished product to the customer. Further, the JIT technique enhances product quality. This process is achieved through a total lean performance and quality circle, which ensures that a product meets the quality standard required. JIT system at Dell. Dell is one of the pioneer companies which have embraced the JIT approach in its manufacturing and production activities. The value-added activities, such as a direct model is a business strategy, have been possible by JIT. Dell uses the technique in customizing its production process and inventory management, besides having a direct relationship with its customers, which is emphasized by Dell Computers. Dell has encompassed the use of JIT in computer hardware and software to provide consumers with high-tech services, updated technology, high-tech products, customized computer systems, and affordable products. JIT is a fundamental method used by Dell. It helps the company to reduce waste by manufacturing only what is needed and delivering it at the right place and at the right time. Summary. Companies that have instituted the JIT system in their production and inventory management systems have gained significant benefits which the system brings. Such benefits are direct, thus helping the company save costs and increase profit margin. Besides, efficiency and reliability are created in the company. Main section. Dell and its products. Dell is a worldwide computer company founded in 1984 by Michael Saul Dell. It has strategic distribution outlets across the world. Dell is one of the leading companies embracing business strategies, innovation, and research in their business line of operation. Dell deals with a wide range of computer hardware, which includes digital cameras, home theaters, servers, desktop computers, laptops, printers, monitors, and CPUs. Besides, they provide customers with tailor-made Dell PCs, varying in price depending on the model requested by the customer. Outsourcing services. Dell has outsourced its computer support services to other countries such as India. Besides support services, Dell has also outsourced manufacture of computers to various countries such as Brazil, South Africa, among other countries to reduce the costs, thus boosting the profit margin. Also, Dell has formed a strong relationship with its competitors such as HP, Hewlett & Packard, and Acer in outsourcing computer parts. Customization. With the ever-fluctuating customer needs, Dell has found it necessary to customize its products to cope with varying market trends. Dell has continuously embraced customization to create customer loyalty through brand dependability. Some of the products Dell has customized include laptops and desktops. Dell has come up with different laptop models to counter the fluctuating customer wants. For instance, Dell currently offers new generation laptops that are customized to meet specific consumer requirements. This strategy has helped Dell bind the consumers more tightly to their products. Dell has also customized its services, such as on-site engineering services and online system support, which facilitates efficient and faster product usage and availability. Dell has also customized its supply chain operations and information technology tools to ensure that deliveries are convenient, which facilitates JIT. Customization has helped Dell eliminate obsolete, thus concentrating on satisfying customers' needs. Dell's JIT inventory control system and how it affects customers. JIT reveals diverse challenges in management and helps to provide solutions for improvement. This has helped Dell to significantly reduce its inventories. This has been important to Dell. The operations of JIT at Dell are unique. This is in the sense that the company does not need to have custody of raw materials to service an order until the order is confirmed by the customer, thus accomplishing servicing the order in the shortest time possible. JIT approach has reduced the bulky of inventory management, thus eliminating storage costs and obsolete products, hence ensuring timely supply to the customer. Dell suppliers. Dell has continually strengthened its supplier base by formalizing the supply of materials to ensure that they are environmental friendly to enhance quality of a manufactured product. The suppliers have to ensure that the materials supplied are in compliance with Dell restricted material policy. Implementing suppliers' policy ensures that Dell maintain less direct inventory in its manufacturing plants. Dell assets. Dell has many assets, though most have been spread across the world. Specifically, Dell has a huge chain of computer products ranging from laptops, desktops, and home theaters, among others. JIT has encompassed order processing facilities, supplier requirements, customization, and supply chain. JIT has simplified work roles, thus creating specialization. However, Dell has to come up with good strategies to ensure that when more orders emanate from customers, they are able to service without much delay. This will enhance quality and improve customer trust. Advantage of JIT to Dell. The advantages of JIT as related to Dell Computer's business model includes reducing lead time. This means that the time taken to fulfill a customer's order has been greatly reduced, and the smooth flow of inventories has been facilitated. Also, the JIT system has resulted in a major reduction in manpower by eliminating the warehousing phase, which leads to a further reduction in cost in manufacturing of goods only when demand arises. In addition, JIT in Dell Computer has facilitated direct market strategies, which facilitate the use of the internet and real-time business transactions, which have aided in improving supplier relationships. Finally, the use of the JIT technique has freed up tied capital by eliminating redundant and obsolete inventories. Disadvantage of JIT as related to Dell's business model. A JIT system has resulted in invariances in regard to the flow of inventories. This means that, in various instances, the supply chain has not been able to meet the expected demand. Also, JIT requires an extensive amount of cash to implement and regain control. Thus, this has been a problem for Dell.